I feel very, very emotional coming back to my country. I dreamt of this day for so many months and years.
फैमिली में मुर्तजा भुट्टो और बेनजीर भुट्टो के मर्डर का रिस्पॉन्सिबल जिम्मेदार एक आदमी है, आसिफ जरदारी।
Shut up. It's my wife. It's the mother of my children. How do you know? Have you lived through such circumstances? Then only you can relate to this pain. If you haven't, then just shut up.
Musharraf exploited this entire situation to assassinate my mother. He's Bilal, terrorists may have pulled the trigger, but he purposely sabotaged her security so that she would be assassinated and taken off the scene.
Not at all, not at all, zero. I mean, I was the one who got an information. I was told by some leaders in the Gulf. Myself, I was told. An emissary was sent to tell me that there is a threat on her. She didn't listen to me in Karachi, and then later on when she was in Rawalpindi, the first time she wanted to go to this very place where Liaquat Bagh, where she was then assassinated. I stopped her from going there the first time. And the hue and cry that her party and she made all over the media that I'm under arrest, they are not allowing me to move, this and that. There was total chaos she created. That is what I did for her. But next time she went, I said, okay, let her go.
आपकी अपनी फाइंडिंग्स क्या है? Who killed बेनजीर भुट्टो साहब?
बैतुल्ला महसूद, इकराम महसूद आज भी मिल जाएगा आपको और वो बता सकता है आपको। ये कोई इतना बड़ा मसला नहीं है।